welcome to Ezlife. In this video, we will see how to install and operate our Ezlife oxygen concentrator. In the carton of oxygen concentrator, you will find following accessories: main device and its remote control, nasal oxygen tube, nebulizer face mask,
and air filters.
After unboxing the device, place it near power plug, at least at a distance of 1 foot. Please keep in mind not to place machine on any kind of platform or any table. Keep it on the horizontal ground only. It's also important not to keep any object on the top of the machine. Now, before plugging your machine, please open this humidifier cabinet by sliding it to the right side. After taking out the humidifier, you can see 2 silicone plugs. Open one silicone plug of the water filling nozzle and add cold pure water into it. Water can also be a distilled water from your RO machine. You can also see 2 water levels on the side of humidifier, maximum and minimum. Please keep your water level exactly in between.
And please keep changing water in humidifier after every 2-3 days.
After filling water in humidifier, please fix it back to the machine. Now connect the power plug to socket and switch it on. You will also find main power button behind the machine. Please switch it on. On switching it on, your device is ready to use. You will find on and off button in front panel of the machine. Before switching it on, fix your nasal oxygen tube at oxygen outlet nozzle located at humidifier. Then wear your nasal oxygen tube this way to yourself or to a patient. Now, press switch on button at front panel and your machine will get started. Set your airflow with this knob to the level suggested by your doctor. Please keep in mind, airflow should be between 1 and 5, otherwise machine will not produce oxygen efficiently.
Please note, your Ezlife oxygen concentrator provides oxygen purity to maximum 96%.
Now you can relax and take your oxygen therapy.
Please note, air filters needs to be replaced every 3 months. Used filters can also be cleaned and reused.
You can also set timer within the range of 5 minutes to 180 minutes. You just need to press time button on the control panel. Oxygen concentrator will be turned off automatically when it reaches the set time.
And also, please switch off the Ezlife oxygen concentrator if it is overheated.
Your machine also have an extra facility of nebulizer. You can find the nebulizer nozzle at the back of the machine, which can be used simultaneously with oxygen therapy. Please use power stabilizer in places where power failures are frequent, otherwise your machine will be damaged. Thank you for choosing Ezlife.